Happy June, and we've got some big news from Google on the organic side. And they came out with a post announcing that there are going to be some more carousels in links for AI overviews and AI mode, which is a welcomed change. Hopefully being able to see more traffic being driven with these very visual posts. Probably still not nearly what we saw 3-4 years ago, but it does seem like these AI experiences are hopefully leaning more towards publishers and website owners to be able to send some traffic back. But the real meat that was within this post is more updates to preferred sources. And Google had rolled out preferred sources mainly for publishers, for news sites. And if you wanted more content from a specific publisher, you could add them as your preferred source. You would then be able to see a little preferred source tag. And this would happen in mainly the news content. And now Google is rolling preferred sources out to AI search. So these are rolling out to AI overviews in AI mode, and we'll have like a little gray, the example they had links showing that it's a preferred source, and likely surface your content more often to searchers out there. It's super, super easy to set up. We've seen a lot of things come and go, right? We've seen Google with this big push towards authorship that kind of fizzled out. We've seen Google push towards AMP, which also fizzled out. So I'm not sure if the preferred sources is here to stay or not, but it could be something that is super important to you and your business by being able to get people to say, yes, I would like to see more content from this publisher or more content from this website, especially if you're publishing lots of things out there. Trying to get people on the hook could get you more impressions, hopefully more clicks, and go that route. So the example now is you can see some of these different carousels out there, but it seems like it's much more now than just news, right? It's really for everyone. I don't have a crystal ball and I cannot tell if this is going to stick around or not, but it is a big deal. It is currently officially a big deal to be able to get a head start on this. And there's some very easy documentation within the Google Help station. Yeah, we'll call it a station. So that you can go and it's just this pretty simple link that you can make that'll send people right to your URL and be able to set you as a preferred source. So I would recommend putting that in, if you write a lot of articles, on the sidebar, at the bottom of content, or in footers, wherever you can, until we see how well it's actually adopted and how well it works. But it's an easy way right now to get a head start. And now that it's rolling out to AI search, it's something that everybody should consider. If you have any questions, reach out to us and we can help you get set up. Thanks.